What up, YouTube? We back. Second video. Now it's time for to drop these puppies, man. Look at that bread and how that coat on there. Simple dish. Now we got this joint up on about 325. We don't want it to have it too hot at 350. We leave it at 325. And let these joints cook for no more than like 2 to 3 minutes. Drop them in the peanut oil. You know, I like using peanut oil. And I be frying a lot now. Got it to use the peanut oil, but just a real simple fried shrimp recipe. You know, for anybody. You know, I ain't got to be making it all complicated and gourmet this and all that, man. It's just something just real simple. Even a 12-year-old or 10-year-old kid could do this. Don't want to overcrowd. Don't want to overcrowd the pan too much. Want everything cooking nice and even. So I'll just fill that little gap right there, and we'll drop them down. Let them boys go for about no more than like about 3 minutes at tops. 3 minutes at tops, and we'll be done. Let them boys come. And let them cook good, and show you guys the end result in a minute. Peace.